Welcome back, everyone. Today's lesson is going to be about minor scales with key signatures. Now, when we are to find the minor scale and we have to use a key signature, we have to use a term that's called relative, okay? So it could be relative major or relative minor, okay? And the way we find those is by moving 3 half steps. Let's use F minor. And we want to find the relative major, okay? Now, the way we find the relative major is by moving 3 half steps. 3 half steps. And from minor to major, we're going up. So if we had F, the next half step up would be F sharp. Next half step, G. Next half step would be A, flat. So we have to make sure that we stay diatonic. So, F minor, if I'm going up 3 half steps, I'm just gonna go F, G, A. So I know it has to be an A of some kind. Okay? So we get to A flat major. Now, what does this mean exactly? This means that both of these scales, one being major, one being minor, both are in the key of A flat, but start on different notes. Okay? So the key of A flat has 4 flats, right? B, E, A, D. That means that when we write the scale of F minor, it's going to have a B flat, E flat, A flat, and a D flat. Okay? So, A flat and F. In the previous video, we found this same scale through doing it with accidentals. And now you're doing it with key signatures. If you go back and watch that same video, you'll see we get the same result. From the major scale, we could have lowered the 3, 6, and 7, or found the relative major and just have applied that major key. Now, perhaps they gave you the major and asked you to find the relative minor. Now, we use the same 3 half steps, but now instead of going up, we're going to come down. And we should end up still on F. Now, again, making sure we stay diatonic, make sure you just count down 3 letters. A, G, F. So it must be an F of some kind, with an accidental perhaps. But in this case, it's not. We went from A flat, 1 half step was G, another half step would have been G flat or F sharp, another half step would have been our F. Okay? So make sure we commit this to memory that when given the minor and finding the relative major, the 3 half steps, we got to go up. When given the major and asked to find the relative minor, we have to go down 3 half steps. Hope the video helped you out, and I'll see you in the next one.